Violence in educational institutions remains a pressing issue. To address this, task forces for the prevention and handling of sexual violence have been deployed in public and private universities across the nation. Programs like Roots, which focus on bullying prevention in schools, have shown significant positive impact. Students and teachers report a more supportive atmosphere, reducing the long-lasting effect of harassment among youth. Meanwhile, this nation is facing a digital human resource crisis. As technology advances rapidly, the lack of skilled workers threatens to hold back innovation and global competitiveness. The question also arises: what is the state of our national curriculum? Reports highlight the urgent need for updates so that what students learn in classroom truly matches the skill required in today's world. In 2021, this nation saw a rise in teenage pregnancies during the pandemic, while in many developing countries, birth rates actually went down. This surprising difference shows how social, economic, and educational challenges continue to affect young people in our nation. The ratio and quality of teachers in our nation have yet to meet national standards. Many educators remain underpaid, with some receiving as little as 200,000 rupiah and walking long distance, up to 12 kilometers, just to teach. In 2025, an estimated 3.9 million children are still out of school. This number reflects the urgent need for equitable access to education for all. Globally, our nation ranks 70 out of 81 in mathematics, 71 in literacy, and 67 in science. These results highlight the urgent need for systematic educational reform.
Pendidikan di Indonesia masih menyimpan segudang permasalahan yang belum terselesaikan oleh pemerintah. Korban guru dan pembayarannya selain menggelar aksi
Education is our priority because it is the key to a nation's future. Look at Finland's education system, equal, innovative, and admired worldwide. Rauretia too can rise with commitment and innovation. We will strengthen teachers, modernize schools, and bring technology to every classroom so that every child has the chance to dream, to learn, and to success. Picture our nation, Rauretia, a land blessed with culture and research, yet our education system still lags behind. In many remote villages, children are unable to attend school. Teachers struggle without proper support, and the gap between urban and rural education continues to grow. This challenge holds back the true potential of our people.
But they left behind is not our destiny. Look at the Central African Republic, a nation that has faced poverty and instability, yet continues to make efforts to rebuild its education system step by step. And then look at Finland, a shining example to the world, proving that when education is fair, free, and high in quality, a nation can achieve remarkable success.
This is the reason we step forward. We refuse to let Rauretia remain trapped in weak education. We are determined to move forward, learning from the experience of other nations and transforming our school, teachers, and students, so that one day Rauretia can rise as a nation with a strong and advanced educational system. People of Rauretia, I am Aulia Siti Rahma as the presidential candidate alongside my partner
Nabila Nafita Suci as the vice presidential candidate.
Together,
We dedicate ourselves to one mission to place education at the heart of Rauretia is progress.
in our vision for Rauretia, education will no longer be a privilege, but a right for every child. We promise free education from the very first years of school to the final stage of high school, with scholarship for those who dream to continue further. We will build and improve schools, provides complete facilities from libraries to laboratories, and ensure that teachers receive the support and training they deserve.
With technology in every classroom and equal access for children in cities and villages, no student will be left behind. Together, we will create a future where knowledge is free, facilities are complete, and education becomes the strongest foundation of progress.
The vision is to realize inclusive, equitable, and free access to education from early childhood to higher education, while ensuring the fulfillment of student basic nutritional needs to enable them to reach their maximum learning potential.
This mission focused on three main pillars highlighted in the Promise campaign: financial access, student welfare, and human resource excellence improvement. Guaranteeing free access to education, overcoming financial barriers.
Completely free schools, eliminating all forms of fees at the primary to secondary education levels to ensure free schooling. 12 years of compulsory education for all Indonesian children, including sliders and more targeted operational school funding. Scholarship for underprivileged families, providing full scholarship for children from poor families so they can continue to undergraduate education at accredited public or private universities, aiming to break to poverty cycle through higher education, ensuring student welfare and nutrition, free lunch and meal program, implementing structured free lunch and meal programs across all education units to address malnutrition and stunting, thereby improving student health and concentration.
Adequate learning facilities, providing equitable and adequate educational facilities and infrastructure, especially in the treaty areas, frontier, outermost, and disadvantaged regions, to create a comfortable and conducive learning environment. Improving quality and relevance of human resources, improving teacher welfare, prioritizing the improvement of welfare, health insurance, and professionalism of teachers, especially honorary teachers as the front line of education quality improvement. Curriculum reorientation, developing a curriculum that is more relevant to future labor market needs and emphasizes character education as well as practical vocational skills adapted to technological developments. 100 Days Work Program of Presidential Rhodesia, the first launch of a comprehensive free education program eliminating tuition fees from primary to secondary levels. The second, provision of full scholarship for undergraduate studies targeting underprivileged families. The third, implementation of free school lunch and meal programs nationwide, with priority in remote, disadvantaged, and border treaty areas. The fourth, improvement and construction of educational facilities in treaty regions. The fifth, enhancement of welfare and health insurance for honorary teachers.
The sixth, development of a future-oriented adaptive curriculum. The seventh, teacher training and professional development focusing on digital literacy and innovative teaching methods. The eighth, establishment of an integrated national data system for students and educators. The ninth, distribution of digital device and free internet access to schools lacking technological infrastructure. The 10th, a nationwide campaign on nutrition awareness and character education. One vision, one future, free education for all.